Hi, that's all right. This is my setup at the farmer's market. That's a 16 foot by 4 foot high dog corral fencing that I've got these hanging on. Here's my setup on the other side. I'm facing, right now I'm facing west. The other video I was facing east. Good, there we go. Okay, this is my new setup with my new Academy Easy Up, the Ozark Trail one from Walmart. Fourth one I had, finally broke. I gave up on that. This one is not quite as easy for one person to put up, but I got that figured out. And and I'm also trying this. I put the dog corral fencing on top of the table and zip tied it to the tent, and it appears to be staying there so far. Of course, the wind's not blowing yet, and but it puts everything at eye level as far as the paintings go, and I can also hang them down low below the fence, whereas before anything too big wouldn't fit on the bottom row. So there's that. Okay, and this is all my modeling stuff that I'm trying to sell today. Well, it's October, and for the month of October we can sell anything, kind of like a swap meet yard sale. So I'm trying to get rid of all of that stuff. And these are my model cars, and these are my Hot Wheels. And these are some bases. I painted that one and that one. These two, I think they're pretty the way they are, so I'm not going to paint them. I'm just going to try and sell them that way. And that's my blob of drywall. And these are some things from Egypt that my mom brought back. We were over there, 46 to 49, and I'm tired of carrying them around. So there we go. I think that's it. I get the front here. And that's right now this is all of my paintings. I'm going to try and get rid of everything by the last weekend in October so that I can start over. Bye.